this is our hybrid ESS finished product ready for shipment. We fully test before shipment. You see our engineer is testing the data. You can see the computer. We can see all the data here, including the battery, PCS, EMS, BMS. Every data is really clear in the data machine data. Okay, and you can see the different parts here: EMS, BMS, PCS, and battery close. Okay, and the same machine here. Okay, and we have many design. This is the small design. This is 64 PCS and 128 battery. Okay, this is also finished product ready for shipment. Okay, and this one also. We doing fully test. We doing fully test before shipment. You can see the data here. Okay, and battery. Okay, also ready for shipment. Okay, and this machine. And this same machine. This is very hot cell. Okay, and this is small design, suitable for home, for supermarket, for hotel. Okay, and we have many different design from the small to containerized, big size, large size. If you want more information, please contact us, SunergyPlus. Thank you.